Let's simplify this expression. Negative 7 plus negative 32 minus 12 plus the square root of 25. Now, although I have no grouping symbols, we kind of treat the square root sometimes as a grouping symbol, although this time there's simply a single number here. I will evaluate the square root of 25 first. So I have negative 7 plus negative 32 minus 12 plus, what is the square root of 25? It is a number that when multiplied by itself gives 25. And it is a positive number we're looking for. So the square root of 25 is 5 because 5 is positive and 5 times itself, 5, gives 25. Now we have additions and subtractions. So what does order of operations say? It says to add or subtract in order from left to right. And that's what we'll do. Let's work on negative 7 plus negative 32. We are adding two numbers with the same sign, so we add their absolute values. 7 plus 32 is 39, and we attach that common sign. Negative 7 plus negative 32 is negative 39. Now we subtract next. Let's go ahead and write this as an equivalent addition problem. So it's added to, then the opposite of 12. And what's the opposite of 12? It is negative 12. And then plus 5. And let's continue. We're adding from left to right. Negative 39 plus negative 12. We're adding two numbers with the same sign, so we add their absolute values. If you need to, go off to the side and add 39 and 12. 9 and 2 is 11, and then that's 5. So when I add the absolute values, I get 51. And then I attach the common sign, which is negative, and then we add 5 to that. So what is negative 51 plus 5? Now we're adding two numbers with opposite signs. So we take the larger absolute value and subtract the smaller absolute value. The larger absolute value is the absolute value of negative 51, which is 51. We subtract from that the smaller absolute value, which would be the absolute value of 5 or 5. 51 minus 5 is 46. And then what sign do we attach? We attach the sign of the number with the larger absolute value. This number had the larger absolute value. It's negative, so it is negative 46. And our original expression simplifies to negative 46.